Hey guys, welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Bariah Griffin. So if you want to go subscribe. And let's get into the video. We have four different slobs right here. And yeah, except one. It's like a putty kind of. So let's just get on to the video. So I'm just going to go to with this flarp. It's noisy putty, but it's like slime. And these are all my friend's slimes. These are all her slimes she has right now. We should have something to put it on to like stick it. But we don't. So yeah. So let's just use this one, a top. So let's just use this top real quick to. It's actually really hard, so it's not that hard, but it's hard kinda. So I'm gonna just let her play with it for a second. Yeah, okay, that's not much to it. So let's just put this back in here and put it to the side. Oh, wash your eyes. If it. Okay. Now it's this slime. So on this top. Okay. So here's the slime. What kind of slime is this? I think is it butter slime?
No.
It's not butter slime, I don't think. Yeah, it's not butter slime, but it has sand in it. Don't it have sand in it? Yeah, it has sand in it and stuff. And it's not that, it's stretchy, but it's not like really stretchy. Ooh. It's a piece of the flarp. Oh well.
Not really talking in this.
Yeah, it's stretchy, but not that stretchy. Ooh. It does that. Huh, the door?
Because it wasn't really closed.
So there. And now I'm going to let her play with it.
Yeah, it's really cold because I remember one day I left the container open all day and I tried to survive it and put water and put lotion on it, but it wouldn't work. And it's the slime that is today. Comment below if you want to have us do a squishy video.
Yeah. Okay.
So yeah, that much.
Okay, you can put it in there and
I made it into a little ball.
now I think this is butter slime. It feels like
yes, it is supposed to.
This is a pinkish red butter slime. I mean, it's an orange butter slime. Cause when you have the top on, it looks pink, orange. Okay. Put the top right here. Oh. So this slime also has sand in it.
Yes. The owner that I got it from put sand in it.
Okay. So it's kind of hard.
But not that hard.
Yeah. It's stretchy. Let's see if it is spread. It does, but it has to be like on a flat surface, not a bumpy surface like this. And to do it, so yeah, let's go with, oh, it's her turn to play with it now.
Yeah, this is really hard because this one that I have $10. It doesn't open with it because my stupid brother, he was playing with it, and I didn't realize that the top was open, and I went to sleep, and in the morning, it was more at night time, so it wasn't like, it was just it wasn't even 24 hours. It was like 12 hours. And the top was open, and this is what happened to these slimes. So, yeah, but this one wasn't open for long. Because my brother was playing with it overnight, because he can never go to sleep, and he has to go to sleep in my bed.
Huh. Okay. Okay,
I'll tell you
last
after this video.
and last but not least,
The most perfect slime I made,
Yes.
like 2 days ago.
is this blue slime. It's
It's
like
like,
a blue
I was
glitter.
trying to make Galaxy.
Okay, what do you say?
I was trying to make Galaxy slime, but that didn't go, and it just turned blue. So I mixed blue and purple together, and it just made that.
So yeah, this what the slime looks like. It's pretty big and stuff. So, and it's soft, but it has like, it's watery kind of, and it leaves like watery stuff on it, like and so yeah. So let me get this top, because this could be really messy. Oh, it's big. It is super stretchy, guys. Super stretchy, super soft. And that's why I had it last but not least, guys. Last but not least. Okay. Oh, I almost got it in her hair, guys.
You make videos all the time.
That was close. I almost had got it on my pants and stuff. It's super duper stretchy, guys. It is super duper big. And let me just poke it real quick, and then she can have it and do test this stuff. So this is the best slime I've ever had, except Flexi slime. So let's put it back up so you guys can see. So.
I'll put y'all purple. She makes some amazing slime, but this is Dollar Bar, Dollar Bar slime, because I found it at
At the Dollar General.
Dollar General, and it was on sale.
It's
so.
only $1, guys.
I know, you should
it's
go
easy.
get it.
If you only have $1 or some change, or it's like $2, you can go buy it from the store.
And I got some of my nails from Five Below, so y'all should actually go there and check that out too. This is where I left these overnight. They're horrible now.
So there.
Hurry up so I can play with it. This will stretch on anything. Like on bumpy surface. It doesn't have to be just flat surface. It will bump. It will spread.
Why the chair is moving?
I don't know.
Because I'm doing it.
Oh yeah, that's it. How many minutes did I get? 8 minutes. That's good. So yeah, this is just my slime. This one is my favorite one so far. I used to have another one, but my grandma made me throw it away because I put some on the floor, and it was really sticky.
So yeah, and subscribe to my channel if you want to be in the channel of Brian Griffin's Blind. And yeah, so
Bye.
And like and subscribe if you want to be tuned in our next videos. So bye, guys.